Mr Norbert. I am Rwanda.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never.
After seeing poor irrigation system in my country, I decided what I can do. So with my teacher Alex, we have decided to make water pump as for helping our community. So we thought about water pump which is friendly to environment. So we made water pump which is uses battery.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything?
As you see here, there's pipe turning water and then it comes out here.
So we used to have water pump which use fuels which have bad effect to the environment. So this is an innovation in water pump which uses electricity. You can connect it to the solar and so on. So I encourage everyone who wants to invest in this project or who want to help. Yeah, the gate is open. You can contact me on the social medias. We'll see if this video is finished.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Let's do this in order to help our farmers, because you know that agriculture is based of human life.
Love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever